In today's video, I would like to highlight 6 skincare and 1 makeup product that are my favorites in October 2022. The product that I fell instantly in love with is by the Pure Lotus Jeju Lotus Leaf Camelia Mist, the most finest mist that I ever tried, and I would like to demonstrate it quickly, that how fine it is. So it smells like lotus, so if you're familiar with lotus scents, this is the one, but it's not overpowering. It's like a milky toner, for example, like those milky toners that maybe you try, like I'm From Rice or Dr. Surgical or Laneige milky toner. So this is similar product, but it's also feeling very lightweight on the skin, so it's very nice to refresh, and it doesn't feel oily or sticky residue once you apply it. And the good thing is that you can apply it throughout the day. Skin will look refreshing and balanced and nourished. Next product that I also fell in love instantly is by NEOGEN Dermalogy, and it's Cica Snail essence. To be honest, it's I don't know why it's called essence, because it's a very viscous texture, because you know it's a snail mucin product. It doesn't leave also residues or any oily and sticky feeling on the skin, so I like to apply it right after toners, for example, in the evening. My skin, it shines, like it's reflecting the light. It smells a little bit like floral. The next product that I discovered recently is a little bit on pricey side. It's by Murad Environmental Shield Rapid Dark Spot Correcting Serum. This is actually serum, as it says, so it has a viscous texture, and you would feel that it's going to be sticky on the skin. It gives a little bit of a tacky finish, and it smells like citrus. I actually confused once that it's a vitamin C product, but it actually contains some kind of blend of acids, so it's very nice for fading hyperpigmentation. I actually have some of hyperpigmentation on this side and on this side a little bit, so I use it almost every day. It's actually suggested that you can use it every day in the evening routine. First time I use it, I felt like my skin a little bit like not burning, but like tingling sensations. If you're new to acids, try to use it just like once and maybe on a small part of your face, just to see how your skin is going to react. But once you build that resilience on your skin to acids, you can use it every day. And I like to apply on top of the serum nourishing moisturizer just to remove that tackiness on my skin. But in general, how my skin feels in the morning, it's very kind of like bouncy, you know, like you can feel it, that it's kind of like elastic and bouncy feeling on your skin. BLISS Mighty Biome Moisturizer has been my favorite for a few months already, but I like to highlight it in this month together with my other favorites, and I use it every day in my routine except for the days when I'm testing like some other kind of products. I actually learned how to use this moisturizer better. In the beginning I was like, let's apply like a really thick layer, because I want just to apply thick layer on my skin, but in general you need to apply just a little bit of amount of this moisturizer, otherwise it's going to peel off your skin. But my skin feels very nourished and protected once I use it. I also use it sometime before mineral sunscreens, because mineral sunscreen tend to dry my skin in general. I also like to apply it, for example, before using some makeup products, because makeup products also contain tin oxide or titanium dioxide, so it's nice to wear this one even before you apply your makeup. A famous product by Summer Fridays, it's Sheer Skin Tint. I got light coverage. I would say that in the beginning I didn't like it that much, but after I use it a few times I learned how to use it properly, and it's very nice to wear it even without skincare products. For example, you know, like when you apply foundations, or you know, you do all the makeup routine that you're supposed to do and your skin just cannot take it. It feels so drying. So if you like sheer coverage, like it doesn't cover that much of your hyperpigmentation, this is a very good product. even if you are lazy to apply other skincare products, this can substitute your skincare products because your skin is going to glow with this product. And in the beginning I felt like it feels kind of heavy on my skin because I probably applied other skincare products, but you need to learn how to use this product. That it's basically a combination of skincare and makeup together. I also opened a sunscreen, mineral sunscreen that is available at Olivian and also I think at Amazon, and nobody's talking about this sunscreen because I guess it's not that widely available in the US. So it's around Greentea Cica Sun Lotion. I would say that it's not that lotiony as it says because it feels kind of thick cream, but it's easily spreadable. And what I will tell you is that I like to apply this sunscreen on the days when, you know, I'm going to be outdoors, I'm going to work out, I'm going to be by the pool. This sunscreen doesn't feel greasy, oily or heavy or anything on the skin, but it creates that kind of like a layer on your skin, protective layer. So it's very nice to use cleansing oil or balm and use double cleansing method to remove the sunscreen because it can leave a residue. This sunscreen is very similar to other mineral sunscreen that are my favorites already from Korea, like by Biome or by Benton, all the sunscreen that I reviewed on my channel. So please check out the playlist of sunscreen on my channel. And the finish that this sunscreen gives is like soft matte, and I also would suggest to apply nourishing moisturizer or do a few steps of skincare routine before applying this mineral sunscreen, because in general mineral sunscreens, they tend to dry your skin. And I like to basically use some days chemical sunscreen and some days I like to use mineral sunscreen. So it basically depends what kind of sunscreen I'm going to use on the day when I see how my skin is reacting to certain products. So I guess this is all for rapid reviews of my current favorites of October 2022. I hope you enjoy it, and don't forget to like, comment if you have any questions, and check my other videos on my channel, and I will see you in my next videos. Have a good day.